start. The brief facts of the case are that the applicant number 1 is a Lekhpal in the consolidation department and applicant number 2 is a Kanungo in the consolidation department, and both are the public servants. During consolidation proceedings, a joint plot was allotted to opposite party number 2 and 1 Ram Singh. Opposite party number 2 filed an application on 28/8/2006 before settlement officer of consolidation for making measurement of plot number 372. The settlement of consolidation officer by order dated 29/8/2006 directed the consolidation officer to make measurement in accordance with law. In pursuance of the order of the settlement officer of consolidation dated 29/8/2006, necessary reports were submitted by consolidation authorities and applicant number 1 and 2 on 15/11/2006 conducted measurement of disputed plots with the help of local police and submitted their report before the assistant consolidation officer. The report dated 15/11/2006 has been annexed as Annexure number 2 to the affidavit accompanying with the present application, in which it is mentioned that measurement has been taken place taking due care of the crop standing in the disputed plot. Opposite party number 2 filed a complaint on 27/11/2006 before the judicial magistrate Farrukhabad with the allegation that applicant numbers 1 and 2 have illegally made measurements of the plot in which crops were standing, and there was an order dated 15/11/2006 to stop the measurement. The copy of the complaint has been annexed as Annexure number 3 and order dated 15/11/2006 has been annexed as Annexure number 4 to the affidavit. The Judicial Magistrate, 3rd, Room number 12, Farrukhabad, by order dated 14/3/2007, summoned the applicant under Section 427 IPC without considering the facts. The applicants are public servants and they were discharging their official duties. This case was listed on 10th July 2007 and following order was passed on that date. Heard the learned counsel for the applicants and the learned AGA. It is contended by the learned counsel for the applicants are the Lekhpal and Kanungo respectively. They have made measurement of the land on the basis of the order passed by the CO concerned. They have discharged their duties and the allegations against them are false and frivolous. Issue notice to OP number 2 returnable within 4 weeks. In view of the facts and circumstances, further proceedings of complaint case number 28/2006 pending in the Court of Judicial Magistrate, 3rd, Room number 12, Farrukhabad shall remain stayed till the next date of listing. In pursuance of the order dated 10/7/2007, opposite party number 2 appeared through counsel before this court and filed his counter affidavit. Heard Mr. Sushant Misra, learned counsel for the applicants, and Dr. Hridayavati Misra, learned AGA for state. Nobody appeared on behalf of the opposite party number 2. The learned counsel for the applicants argued that applicant numbers 1 and 2 are public servants and they were discharging their duties to measure the plots. As such, the private complaint against the applicants are not maintainable unless necessary sanction as provided under Section 197 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is obtained. It is further argued that applicants were not aware about the further order passed by the settlement officer consolidation to stop the measurement. It is further argued that applicants have retired during pendency of the case before this honorable court, so their case may be considered systematically. On the other hand, learned AGA has submitted that the applicant should appear before the magistrate in pursuance of summoning order dated 14/3/2007 and take whatever defense they want. Therefore, no interference required and application is